Ready?
Hey, mission completed! Congratulations!
Hi, I'm the MC for this occasion. I'm the one who was in love with Al at the end of the mission. Well, let's have every character in the game say something. The first person is Sho, also known as Danzaba, the one who was playing love games with the twin sisters behind our backs.
Who did what? Hi all, hope everyone's okay. As you know, everyone was able to complete the mission with the main character, which was me.
That's not true. They chose me as the main character.
No, there are lots of guys in their late 20s who feel nostalgic for a special inspector like me. That's why I was the main character everyone used. Do you understand that, armor-clad miss?
What did you call me? This isn't a film, a living piece of armor. Well, you haven't changed at all.
I'll morph if you wish.
No, you can't.
You're putting me on. Here I go. Zero Jaku!
You listen to me.
Danzaiba! Well?
You know you can't change.
Well, everyone, are you ready to be in heaven with me? Damn!
Don't be ridiculous.
You've ruined my wonderful line!
That's enough. You can go. The one who stole my heart is next. Here is Al.
Hello, I'm Alti Lazal.
Oh, what about your middle name? Dropped it?
I quit being a court magician.
Is that right? But something's fishy. Are you getting ready for a sequel?
What is that?
Never mind. I'm just mumbling.
By the way, I wonder how many players are watching this. Maybe this is the part where no one cares.
Don't scare me. I'm sure everyone is interested.
Do you think so?
Yes, I do. Stop being so negative. Do you want to say something to everyone?
Thank you for playing. I hope to see you again.
Okay, that was my sweetheart, Al. Whew, this part makes me tired. Hey, those watching the monitor, are you bored? There's a lot more coming. Next is the yin-yang sorcerer, Kea.
Thanks. I expected a better introduction, though.
Sorry. Your speech, please.
Well, it was difficult for you to complete this mission using other weak characters, but on behalf of all of us, thank you.
Your sarcastic remarks always get on my nerves. You should take advantage of this opportunity to give everyone a good impression of yourself.
No need for that. It's my nature. I'm just telling the truth.
Boo! Your ending was too vague.
That's right. That was a very suggestive ending.
Even though you are alive, you can't be in the sequel.
What? Is there a sequel?
Don't have the same reaction.
It's hard to pretend to be a bad guy. I risked myself to play a villain, but I made trouble for you, and I'm sorry.
What are you saying?
Please mark my name as your favorite character on the questionnaire. Thanks. Bye-bye.
You're disgusting. Next is the fiery fighter Midori.
Thanks. Congratulations on destroying Evil Zone. Did you enjoy this? Hey, what happened to you?
I'm crying because you started out so beautifully.
Is that right? That's good.
Oh, I can't forgive myself. Midori, please start over.
No, I can't.
Well, then let's have a question and answer session with Midori.
What?
At this session, we'd like to ask some questions.
I think we got off on a tangent.
Does your Fuin school have a rival? And is there a competition for a successor?
I am the only successor. We have a rival in Osaka. I don't want to acknowledge it, though.
Yes, I see. Here is another possibility for a sequel. That was Midori.
You're too much.
Whew, I finished half of it. Next is Setsuna and Karen. They are the favorite characters of our programmer who collects school uniforms.
Hi, I'm Setsuna.
I'm Karen.
I'd like to correct something here, Errol.
What?
The programmer doesn't collect uniforms.
Is that so? I heard he has 3 uniforms from some of the most prestigious schools. It sounds credible, but it's not true. But if you're his favorite, there is a high chance of being in the sequel.
I heard everyone could be in the sequel.
Not everybody. It's not that easy.
Is that so?
What shall we do, Setsuna? I don't want you to worry about it. That's all for Setsuna and Karen. You can leave now.
Okay.
Setsuna, let's be cheerful. I feel guilty somehow. Next is Gally.
Thanks for waiting. I'm Gally. I'll play about 12 measures of music on the piano as a reward for your accomplishment.
Oh, no. We don't have room for that on the CD.
This is the rare occasion for you to listen to my performance. Ugh.
Are you listening? I think Gelly is getting sick. So I'm going to call the next person. Lai, come here! Quickly!
Hi.
Oh, wow. You look nice. You have on a black jacket with metal trinkets and pants that shine like a snake's skin. Whew. Plus over-decorated pointed boots. I don't believe this.
Unlike you people, I don't have to be in the sequel. I don't have to be nice at all.
Yes, I see. That was Lai, who will definitely not be in the sequel.
I was just trying to be stubborn.
Yes, yes. Thank you very much.
Wait.
I think it went like this in the preview. The last people are Kaku and Iha. Both of you, come here.
Don't call me Iha.
Sorry, but your name is too long.
I think it's cute. I like Iha.
Let's get to the point. Your speeches, please.
Yeah.
I hope you'll keep playing this game.
Hey, you have to say something too, Iha.
I'm Iha, and I'm happy you played the game. Don't forget to write my name on the questionnaire for the favorite character, okay?
Brain freeze! I'd like to conclude this part of the game. I want everybody to come out again and say thank you.
Thank you very much.
I wonder if anyone's still with us.